1 and 2 are just ridiculously easy. Eli's family is camping and they build a fire at night. Why is the thermal energy from the fire important for the family? Okay, this will be your second
Add that.
yes, for your purple. Because the other two, those last three, honestly, could be in the green. They're just quick. Whiteboards up, answer, let's move on. They should be able to, after this lesson, they should be able to easily identify items that produce thermal energy. And if they can't, something wrong. You guys, what's one item that can produce thermal energy? Any item you can think of? What's one item? I'm glad the kids are in here because we could test the questions. What's one item that can produce thermal energy? The who? Excellent job. What's another one? What's another one? What's another one? Microwave, sun, oven. We're missing one. What about if I want to? No, I can't tell you the answer. That's going to tell you the answer. What's one more in the kitchen? There we go. Toaster. Okay, so they should be able to fully execute that tomorrow Wednesday with no issue.
Been over a lot today.
Yeah, y'all did. Y'all had a great lesson. And their understanding. And we have 3 different levels in this one way.
We do. Yeah, between these 3, yeah.
Oh, flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Her behavior throws me off.
Yeah. She has her days. She has her days.
Okay, here we are. Sarah and her friends are making s'mores outside on a cool evening. They heat the marshmallows over a small campfire. Why is the thermal energy from the fire important to the group? There we go. And this will be your at bat in the purple.
So, do you like this?
And so now you'll go in and you'll go ahead and do your annotation so I can see. So it'll be perfect. So right after they do their written response, boom, hit them with an at bat.
Okay.
And so you'll feel it. You'll be like, like you'll feel it because it's like teach them, verbalize their response, articulate their response through writing. Now test it through a multiple choice, and it'll be a rhythm, and they'll get used to it, and they'll start waiting for the multiple choice. And so you say, wait, because they want to prove to you that they.
Yeah, that's what I feel that now because there wasn't many at that like actual
opportunities. Yeah, so we just make them.
Yeah.
And I taught JP all this because the district does not give science a lot because it's not STAR tested. If it's not STAR tested, they don't care.
Okay.
Thermal energy, and then duplicate the slide. All right, boom. Now I'm gonna give you. We got like 10 minutes. We gotta go. At 4 o'clock, if you walk out of here and I am playing. All right, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and go ahead on the duplicated one, and I'm gonna hold this up so it can be live on mine. You do it on yours, I'll make it live.
Okay.
So do you want me to show you how to do it, or do you know how to do
Annotate?
it? Yeah, with the computer, the text box and stuff. Okay, good. Let you do your thing. I'll give you about 3 minutes, Sam.
3 minutes.
Just do the first one.
Okay. All right. In December, students checked the temperature on a thermostat on the thermometer inside the warm classroom. Okay, so yeah, temperature thermometer.
Yep.
Should I? Okay.
You could do all the way to warm.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
And I would stop at warm. Yep, just like that.
Okay. This yellow.
No, it needs to be transparent.
I know.
Oh.
Hold on. I got you.
I didn't see how much you do your thing. Sorry.
I'm coming. I'm putting it on. Okay.
Okay, I see it. Oh, wow. Oh, wait, you just taught me some.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me add that for 5th grade. Annotate. Add yellow.
Okay. And so then they took the thermometer outside and placed it on the shade on a cold, windy day.
I actually love that you actually did that yellow because it highlights it. Oh, you just taught me something. This is why planning is essential because I just learned something from 5th grade.
Yeah, this is what I learned this from Ms. Oz.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay. And so now we focus lines. Most likely, I'll probably circle that. Observe when they check the thermometer again.
Mm-hmm.
Again, this bigger,
I don't need one.
too big.
I don't have.
Make
Take
this
I don't have.
red. Okay,
But you know how Christmas cookies.
all right. See if that shows. Okay,
Okay.
and circle this.
Uh, okay. Oh,
I love the way you're doing this.
There's another. Here it is.
no. As far as I was like, yeah.
No, that's not it either. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. Take this one. This way.
I thought you went there. I got joy from that sisters and that one's more.
Okay.
And then you're like the language that one was me for internal
Most likely good. I love the circle.
All right, looks likely, okay, so lines, we cross out the thermometer broke.
Yeah. Yeah. You could do one word. I like just doing exactly what made it wrong.
Yeah.
I don't like because otherwise, what's the point of doing it, the whole thing, if we're teaching the kids not to over highlight?
True.
You know, like don't over highlight. Just cross out what made it wrong.
So higher, it was higher, okay, not higher. And the thermometer turned blue. Blue, and we circled. Thermometer was lower because it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
As before, and they already know that because we talked about it yesterday. We'll recap it. I mean,
Okay.
today.
I'm gonna stop you because I'm gonna stop you
What?
for one reason. I want to for the last 5 minutes. I want you to plug your computer up and live annotate this one and the other one as if you were teaching me.
Okay.
So that and then you can do that later. But I want to see how you would teach them. So pretend it's your model, and then you're gonna do B live, and then you're gonna click down to the purple and then do that one live.
Okay. So you want me to do what?
You're gonna pretend like you're teaching me this model one. So you're gonna live annotate on the board.
Okay.
Yeah, just like we're in class. And narrate to me like if I was a kid. So like on your picture, look like mine. You guys are gonna have to start doing this in your class, what me and Miss Parker are talking about. Just like y'all annotate in all your other classes, we're trying to get 3rd grade ready to annotate like 4th and 5th grade. Kesey, I know you're gonna do anything. I can stop sharing my screen too, so I can show this full. Yes. Oh, the competition is up. All right. Go ahead. You'll start with B.
Many transitions have been much.
Go ahead and start with B. I'm a kid.
All right. So, as we've already discussed, part A, what will they most likely observe when they check the thermometer again? That it will be a lower temperature because it is
Cold.
cold. All right. So, which statement best supports the answer to part A? The key words are
Best
best. What?
and part support
Supports
and
the-
part A.
Part A, the answer. All right. Answer choice A. Cold air makes the thermometer get,
Warmer.
what's the key words?
Cold air. Warmer.
Absolutely. Cold air makes the thermometer get warmer. Answer choice B. Thermal energy moved from the warm thermometer into the colder.
Air.
So what's the key words here?
Thermal energy moved
Thermal energy moved
from warm thermometer into colder air.
into cold. into colder air. Absolutely. Next, answer choice C. The thermometer used its own energy to
Heat up.
heat up. So the keywords are
Thermometer, own energy, and then heat up.
own energy to heat up. Answer choice D. The cold air pushed the new
Heat,
into the,
thermometer.
what's the key words?
Cold air, push,
Pushed.
maybe.
That, no, we don't
Okay.
really need push.
New heat,
New heat
thermometer.
into the thermometer. The key word here in this question, in this answer choice is new heat. All right. Now let's discuss. We have our annotations. Your annotations should look like mine. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
All right. Answer choice A. Cold air makes the thermometer get warmer. Cold air moves from, how does thermal energy move? From cold air to warm air, or from warm air to cold air?
So this is orange, so you tell them.
Okay.
So,
Okay,
so
okay,
you
okay.
say, remember, cold air moves like.
Okay. So remember that the thermal energy moves from warm air to
Cold air.
air. So we cross out cold air. Cold air does not make the thermometer get warmer.
It gets colder. Good job. Good.
Cross out A. Yes. So, answer choice B. Thermal energy moved from the warm thermometer into the colder air. Thermal energy. We know thermal energy moves from warmer spots to colder spots. Just like on a stove. It starts at the bottom, which is the hottest area on the stove, and it goes upward to colder air. So we can check it.
Yes.
Check it off. Answer choice C. The thermometer used its own energy to heat up. It used its own energy to heat up. Does a thermometer own energy? Does it make energy? No, it does not create work. So the
That
key
part,
word that we can cross
good.
off is own energy. All right. Answer choice D. The cold air pushed new heat into the thermometer. It what?
Wow. Push.
It pushed. Does cold air push into warmer places?
No.
No. All right. And it does not also create its new energy. Our answer is
B.
B.
Excellent job. Just like that. Remember, in the orange, you are teaching him. Don't ask him no questions. You ain't telling him nothing. Don't ask him nothing.
All right.
You're asking rhetorical questions and you're answering them yourself.
Yeah.
Right? Now exit that and then quickly click through the slides to purple.
Yeah. All right.
Is it even on there? Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Now do this one real quick and we're done.
All right, thermal energy. All right, so it says Sarah and her friends are making s'mores outside on a cool evening. They heat the
Marshmallow,
over a small.
campfire,
Why is the thermal
energy,
from the fire important for the group? All right, keywords. What are our keywords? We have they,
heat,
yes, over a small
campfire,
fire. Why is the
thermal energy,
from the fire so
important.
important? All right. Why is the thermal energy from the fire so important? Answer choice A. The thermal energy keeps the fire cold, so no one gets too hot. We have we have thermal energy, and what's the key words? Fire,
Cold,
fire cold, so no one gets too
hot.
Is fire cold, class?
No.
So what do we do with that keyword?
Cross it out.
Cross it out.
So
Next.
we know the answer is not A.
A.
Stop. So now on this one, we're purple. Stop.
Mhm.
All right, guys, you have, I did Miss Parker. We've done it together. We've done our keywords. We've gotten rid of the first answer choice together. Now I'm gonna give you 1 minute to go through the last three answer choices on your own. Now you make your laps.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
They've already helped them with one, and because third grade is so low, you can do that.
Okay.
I want your purple to look like you go over one answer choice with them and then let them fly. Don't always pick A, pick a different one. I just think something, right? Because you can be like, oh Lord.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful. You gotta know your slide deck before
Right.
you present to them.
Okay.
Now, all right, boards up. They'll pop their boards and you're only looking for B, C, and D, right? And then based on what they give you, let's say no one picked D, good. I don't know what the answer is, right? And so they all only between B and C. These are the only two you go over. You don't waste time going over, you know, and pick it.
Okay.
If all of them have the right answer, B, I have 100%. We know the answer is B because it says whatever it says, and we move forward. Now we go to the next slide. We don't waste it. Okay. Really good job. All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Parham.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Good job. And so I'm gonna actually go back and look at your spot because I can still edit it. I'm about to give you your points back. That's crazy. Yeah, because I mean that's just why I'm glad I came in here because it just looked different. And so it made us think it was a fill in the blank. And it really was a response card.
Yeah.